Hey guys, welcome to Techno Salad. If you are thinking about some unique gift ideas, then you should consider getting a robotic toy or gadget for the kids, teen or adult. Surprise your loved ones with these fine cutting-edge robotic gadgets that can help them with household chores, entertainment or educate. In this video, you will find some of the amazing robotic gadgets. So keep watching. Number 1 on our list is Lovot Robot. Lovots have lots of functions, all aimed at bringing out people's loving side. The moment Lovots arrive in your home, you can begin to enjoy a little more love in your life. Lovot recognize the face of someone who loves them and will want to get closer for more love. Another feature of Lovot is they will stare at you until they get your love, no matter how long it takes. Lovot can create a map so that they move around the house, recognize spaces and adjusting their speeds and direction. You can highlight a location in your home with smartphone app while you are out and Lovots will go there so that you can remotely check it. Number 2 on our list is Lua Smart Planter. Lua Smart Planter transforms your houseplant into the virtual pet with the ability to communicate its needs. Created by Vivian Muller of Moo Design, the Lua Smart Planter shows 15 different animated emotions based on how your plant is feeling. Lua is not only cute, but it's functional in helping ensure your plants get what they need to thrive. Sensors within the planter trigger the correct emotion animation after measuring the soil's moisture, light exposure and temperature. The planter is connected to the app where you can select the type of plant or customize your own settings. 15 different animated emotions make sure you will always be in tune with your houseplant's needs. Lua makes a great addition to any home. Number 3 on our list is NeoRhythm. NeoRhythm, the next generation gesture control headband, helps you to sleep better, de-stress and boost energy. This next generation neurostimulation headband is scientifically tested and proved to be effective by 2 double-blind placebo-controlled studies. NeoRhythm is the latest innovation in the rapidly developing field of neuroscience, using a non-invasive magnetic method of neuromodulation to target the specific areas of the brain to help the user reach a desired state of mind, such as sleep, deep meditation, relaxation, focus, and more. Our brain has wonderful ability to adjust its brain waves to external frequencies. The process of doing this intentionally is called brainwave entertainment. NeoRhythm uses this natural process to encourage your brain to work at specific frequencies that match your preferred state of mind. Number 4 on our list is Dash and Dot robots. Dash and Dot are robots that can sense, act and think. Students use block coding on 4 different iPad apps to control their robots. The durable and child-friendly robots are a safe and easy way to encourage team learning in the classroom. Dash and Dot also have the educational accessories that can be purchased to support art, music and engineering. Both Dash and Dot are capable of interacting with their surroundings thanks to the sensor they are built with. They can detect sounds, objects, and movements, making them aware if they are being engaged by their users. With the help of apps designed to work with the robots, kids can program these robots to learn and play games, send messages, solve puzzles, and even complete an obstacle course. Number 5 on our list is Samsung Bot. Samsung Bot Care specializes in helping users manage their daily health routine. It is capable of measuring users' blood pressure, heart rate, breathing, and more, and can alert users when they need to take their medicines. Samsung Bot Air robot utilizes sensors located in different areas of the user's house, including the one on the electronic appliance, to assess the air quality. The enterprise-focused Samsung Bot Retail allows stores to offer their customers a more personalized and convenient retail experience. So those were some of the amazing robotic gadgets. Hope you find the video interesting. Please like and share the video. If you are new to our channel, then hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell icon to receive the notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.